Today we're going to talk about noun genders. Noun genders are one of the things that are very different from German to English. Unlike English, every noun in German is assigned one of three genders. So a noun is either a masculine noun, a feminine noun, or a neuter noun. Some of the genders are obvious. For example, the word woman is a female noun or a feminine noun, die Frau. The word for Mann is masculine, der Mann. And the word for boy is also masculine, der Junge. But just when you think you've got it, you get thrown a curveball, such as the word for girl. Girl is not feminine, it is neuter, das Mädchen. But here's where it gets really tricky. Not only are people assigned a gender, but every noun has a gender. So things that we would in English call an it, like the table is big, it is big, that's not exactly how it works in German. Each noun has been assigned a gender. So table is masculine, der Tisch. So if you want to talk about the table, der Tisch, and you want to use a pronoun for the word Tisch, you would have to say he. Dog is also masculine, der Hund. Die Katze, the cat, however, is feminine, die Katze. The horse is neuter, das Pferd. A shirt is neuter, das Hemd. And it's just randomly assigned. For example, spoon is masculine, der Löffel. Fork is feminine, die Gabel. And knife is neuter, das Messer. So to summarize, every noun in German is assigned a gender. It is often hard to tell just by looking at a word what the gender should be. The best way to conquer the gender difficulty is to memorize the noun and its gender together. So for example, don't just think of a table as a Tisch. Think of it as der Tisch. Always learn the gender or memorize the gender with the word. Der Tisch, der Stuhl, das Fenster. Here's a little joke I found from Calvin and Hobbes that I thought was really apropos. Calvin asked the teacher a question. He says, "Why aren't you teaching us the gender of nouns? Is desk masculine? Is chair feminine? Foreign kids know, but we don't. No wonder we can't compete in a global market. I demand sex education." I thought that was kind of funny. So, just to recap here, there are three genders in German. Masculine words are der. Feminine words are die. Neuter nouns are das. Der, die, and das all mean the. So der Tisch, the table. Die Katze, the cat. Das Buch, the book. Can you guess the genders of these nouns? Table, is it masculine, feminine, or neuter? Is it a he, a she, or an it? Der Tisch, it is masculine, it is a he. School, die Schule, school is feminine. If you refer to the school as a pronoun, you would say she. Window, das Fenster, it's a neuter, it's an it, which would be the same in English. Remember, inanimate objects like table, chair, pencil, TV, bookshelf, inanimate objects are not it, like they are in English. They are assigned a gender and can be a she, a he, or an it. Memorize the gender with the word.